everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Mochi Donuts Pon De Ring. It's my daughter's favorite donut, so we decided to make it at home. At first we tried it with all-purpose flour, but it didn't turn out right. And my daughter said it tastes like a bread. So the second try, we decided to use hot cake mix, which is a very popular cake mix in Japan. The idea using hot cake mix is very popular in Japan, and many people make Pon De Ring with hot cake mix. So I ended up making it and it turned out perfect. I wanted to be nice to people overseas using all-purpose flour, but hot cake mix won. You can get hot cake mix in your country. I think it is available online or at Japanese grocery stores. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. You just need only 5 ingredients. Cut parchment paper into 4-inch square pieces. Place silken tofu, soft tofu in a bowl. Add Shiratamako, lumpy glutinous rice flour. Mix well until smooth. Now add hot cake mix and knead it into one. You can add more hot cake mix to adjust the texture if it is sticky. Divide it into 6 pieces. Cut into 8 pieces. Arrange 8 small balls on a parchment paper to form a circle. Don't worry, donuts don't have to be perfect. Let's make the sugar glaze before deep frying. Deep fry 3 pieces at a time for 1.5 minutes on each side. Coat with sugar glaze while the donuts are hot, then leave to cool. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
何の味がする？
いただきます。これ食べたい。どれから食べようかな。
どれ食べる？好きなの食べて。
じゃあちょっと手で食べる。ちょっと手で。ありがとうございます。チェックプラー。あってね。バイバイ。終わり。終わり。